Oh, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. I'm still feeling under the weather, so please do excuse my voice. I'm a bit snotty. Black EP3 in the house today for a map on a K100. It's got some mods, K&N Induction kit, and the lads have just fitted a Japspeed 4-to-1 manifold. So we'll see how we get on. Yeah, let's do it. Black EP3.
Black EP3.
Minimal mods.
Yeah, minimal.
Well, it's got. We've just fitted a Japspeed 4-to-1, haven't we?
Yeah, it's only got 2¼ inch exhaust though, but it looks like a, you know, exhaust shop type 2.5 inch system. You know what I mean? Sort of mimic the standard twin exit back box, I think. What induction kit was on there?
A K&N Apollo kit. Is
oh
it
yeah. So yeah, really, like Dan says, real basic minimal mods in it.
It's made 221.
Yeah, we made some good mid-range power. Peak power's a little bit over the top, but not by a massive amount. But obviously, we all know better mods would make more power. So,
yeah,
I think there's much more to say on this one, do you? Really?
I don't feel very well.
Yes, it still doesn't feel well. It's lunchtime now, and it still doesn't feel very well.
I'm going home now.
Yeah. Well, let's look at the graph.
Let's do it. Well, say it with me, guys. Red line is as you came in, blue line is as you leave. 30 brake horsepower in the mid-range there as we lowered the VTEC somewhat, extended the rev range, and we finish on 221 brake horsepower, which is 185 at the wheels. That's another one in the bag. A beautiful black EP3. Now, obviously, this car's got minimal mods, but I'm sure we'll see him again for a bit more shiny bits. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And I'm off to get a lem sip, aren't I, Rich? Yes, I am.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.